We just built a house, wooden house here. So this is 2 stories. Oh my God, it's very tall, very high. So to the left here and here, look, very cool, huh? Very nice, elegant. This is my castle, my castle in Digos. So here we have a lot of plants. My plan is to maybe even build a extra CR, as they call it, a comfort room, a toilet back there. But anyway, come up, let's have a look. In the early morning, Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so this is the place. Let's see, maybe there's a lot of toys there because the kids, they like to play here. So anyway, my plan is to make a wall here with a door. So this will be a dedicated bedroom right here, and this green screen is covering to protect from the insects, and we have quite a nice view from here. There are the coconut trees and green leaves, and yeah, you can see from here. This is a very fresh place to stay. Very fresh, lovely place. We are not totally done yet. I will do some improvements, but this is a beautiful place to stay. Over there you can see a big building in the background. That is gonna be a hotel there. I think that is the neighbor of McDonald's. You see that one over there? So that's it. Okay. Welcome to my paradise. Okay, so if you're not afraid of stairs, you can come here. Okay. Closing up, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the look from our top floor. The chicks are there. I cannot guarantee that we don't kill them because sometimes we slaughter some of the chicks. That's just a part of life. But all in all, look, it's a beautiful place, right? A beautiful place. Very cool, very nice. So, here we are. So if you go into this place, you can see we have this long bar, and you can sit here and you can actually watch while the pizza is being cooked. So you can come here for enjoying pizza. We have a pizza business, see? And you can sit right here and you can watch while your pizza is being cooked. Great, huh? Thank you for your attention.